In this video, we're going to show you how to install the PCV valve on your Jeep Wrangler, located on the top side of your engine. On the back side of the valve cover closest to the firewall, you're going to find the crankcase ventilation tube right here. And we want to go ahead and pop this up out of the valve cover. Now there's a rubber grommet holding it in place. You can use your tool here to go ahead and work that up and out of the rubber and just wiggle that out. Next, go ahead and separate that vacuum port right here. Just going to grab that rubber portion here and pull that off. Take the new component, go ahead and work that into the valve cover. You want to be careful not to push that O-ring into the valve cover, so you can try it like that, or you can put a little bit of spray lube on there, just a little bit to help that pop on in. All right, let's go ahead and pop this into place. Pop that down, grab that hose, line that back up, and pull that on. Once that's seated and that hose is on, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.